This is a smaller model of a roof that we did in a roof framing class a few months ago. In fact, I think we did it in 2 classes. We built it the size of this platform here, one of them, and then I built this one to show you in better detail the way that the irregular, it's called unequal intersecting pitch roof, this is, the way the irregular hip runs through the corner, and because it doesn't bisect the corner at a 45-degree angle, renders the overhangs different. And this can be remedied by lifting this plate up and increasing the ridge length and bringing this whole apparatus forward, which is what's happening here. You can see the plate was lifted here. And if you look straight down on it, you can see that the hip doesn't run through the corner, but there's equal overhangs. Right? In order to do that, the distance from this corner to the center line of the hip is added to the ridge, and the bird's mouth is in a different location, but the overall hip is the same length as the one on this side. Just this whole front moved forward, right? And the bird's mouth on all the common rafters move uphill, as does the bird's mouth on the hip rafters. See, these all moved uphill, right? And this still needs a jack rafter here and one on the other side, but they wouldn't land on the plate. It wouldn't land on the plate. It would just be what's called the zero jack over here. And you can see that the valley's running at the same angle as the hip. So the 2 different pitches, which are 9/12 here, 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 and here, and 5/12 here and here, are consistent. This is consistent with this here. And the valley's got backing angle, V in it, cut into it. You can see that. Runs all the way up. And if you look closely, you'll see the center line doesn't actually land in the corner. It lands over here, so that when those 2 imaginary center lines run, they'll meet at a framing point right in the middle of where these 2 ridges converge. So the double cheek cuts are offset from the center line here. See that there. And it's actually the same down here. If you look closely, you'll see that double cheek cuts offset a little bit. That one's a little harder to see. This one's just harder to see, but anyway, it's offset. So that's how that looks. And the fascia's all run, there's no blocks in it.